Among the Huminals, there exists a sudden, violent ritual known as the sneeze. Without warning, one of them will expel air, moisture, and microscopic organisms through their face at speeds capable of propelling particles meters away. It is not subtle, it is not controlled. It is, by all biological standards, a minor explosion. What follows is more remarkable still. Those nearby immediately perform a spoken incantation. Bless you, Gesundheit, God bless. The moment is treated as sacred. The Huminal has not performed a skill, has not demonstrated courage or wisdom. They have simply ejected bodily fluids in public. And yet the response is universal. A blessing. To us, this suggests the sneeze is believed to possess extraordinary power. Perhaps they think the spirit briefly escapes and must be protected. Perhaps the spray is considered a sign of divine favor. The reasoning is unclear, but the devotion is unquestioned. If the sneeze occurs multiple times in succession, the blessings multiply. Each sneeze summons another round of sacred words until the entire group is chanting protectively over the one whose body is rebelling. No one blesses them for digesting food, no one blesses them for breathing, but eject saliva with force. A chorus of spiritual reinforcement is mandatory. Equally curious is the absence of reaction to other expulsions, a cough, a burp, even the much-feared flatulence. These bring no blessings, often only discomfort or laughter. It appears only the sneeze carries this strange prestige. A moment when the Huminal is seen as fragile, as if standing at the gateway between life and death and must be verbally shielded from unseen forces. To us it is clear. They are not simply acknowledging a reflex, they are conducting a ritual. One sneeze, a communal chant, a bodily glitch wrapped in sacred words. You sneezed? Oh, splendid! May the Almighty Creator bless you.